Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a question in Google Forms. So in here, I have already opened my Google Forms and I actually already add two questions in here, and I want to show you how you can add a new question and also change the type of the question. So here, this is my last question, and to add a new question you just need to go to the right panel in here, and there will be a plus icon. So click on this plus icon to add a new question. Click on that, and here you can add a new question. For example, okay, so this is just an example. So you can change the type of question in here. So if you want to change it from multiple choice to a short answer question, you can just click on this box and change it into whichever you like. So there are a lot of options in here: short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, drop down. There's also a file upload and scale. So I'm going to change it into short answer, for example. Then if you want to make it as a required question, you need to click on this circle until it turns to orange like this. Then to add a new question, click on the plus icon again. Okay, you can type in the new question in here. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.